Hi, welcome back to my channel. I might do something controversial, especially if you're a big TXT fan, but I will be reacting to a few of their solo songs, solo videos from their EP, as well as the title track Beautiful Strangers. I personally think that the group makes solid music, but I will say my favorite, I haven't gotten into them, but when they made Deja Vu, that song is so good and it reminds me of old K-pop. And I saw that it's because it's like sampling or it sounds similar to a BTS song, like an old before they debuted it, they debuted in America. So makes sense. All that being said, this is why I might upset some people, is that usually when I make reaction videos, like before I wanted to react to everything, but when you realize how many groups there are, how many comebacks there are, it's like you have to find some way to be selective on what you react to. And I don't always want to react to groups that I like. I do want to react to new groups or groups that I've heard, but like I'm not that into, to give like my perspective. I don't know, just want to see. So what I've been doing is I've been kind of just scrolling through the song and listening to like certain snippets to see if it's my taste. Usually I can pick up on that. And not to say that if I listen to the whole EP, my opinion won't change. I'm not saying that, but just for the sake of reacting. With that being said, okay, there are 5 solo songs on the album. I'm only listening to 2 because they caught my attention. So that for the sake of the video, and then the title track. So Hyuning Kai, Dance With You, Taehyun, Bird of Night is the other one that I'll be reacting to. Let's get started. I'll listen to them from the title track, Beautiful Strangers, then we'll go into Bird of Night, and then we'll go into Dance With You. So let's get started with Beautiful Strangers. Oh, his hair's more blonde, like lighter. Oh. We do it for love. It's matter forever. Still, we do it for love. 두려워 말자 together. We're beautiful strangers. The lyrics plus the eye contact plus it just being them two. I'm like, is this? We'll see. Oh. I think what I know about them is their songs tend to have like really good, like meaningful lyrics. So I'm kind of already seeing that here. There's usually one person here that always sticks out to me. It's the one that did the gum. I really am bad with names, but yeah, him. He always stands out to me. I think he just has a presence about him. But here, I feel like everyone is getting their time to shine, and even Hyuning Kai, whatever he's standing out right now in like the dancing portion. And usually, to me, it's the other guy that stands out. 반짝여 보여 네 꺾인 날개 원해 불 흉터는 마치 타투 우리 사랑의 장갑
흉터에 입을 맞춰 또 한 번 더 와그리는 never 세상이 우리 다 비웃어도 두렵지 않을 이유 We do it for love 잊지 마라 forever Still do it for love 두려워 말자 together You 너의 이름을 불러 이 순간이 너무 아름다워 영원히 약속 주문이 풀린 세계 속 We're beautiful strangers 너의 이름을 불러 이 순간이 너무 아름다워 영원히 약속 주문이 풀린 세계 속 We're beautiful strangers We're beautiful strangers We're beautiful strangers
Oh. Okay. Yeah. I don't know how to feel about that song. I actually kind of got a little emotional at the end. I definitely think their lyrics are always good. I think I even with Deja Vu, it did get me a little emotional too. But I think this one is just for a different reason, like, personal stuff. But the end definitely got me. I can't wait to watch it without the music video because there was a lot going on, so it was hard to pay attention. Well, not pay attention, but to grasp the song fully. But yeah, I enjoy the song. I enjoyed the acting. I enjoyed the music video. I enjoyed that there was other faces being pushed forward that I could almost pay attention to more. I think it's always good, like even if it's not your era, like it's not your EP era, at least like there's still room for you to be the focal point in another era too. So, all that being said, I liked it. Let's get on to Bird of Night.
모두 잠든 깊은 밤이
The
말을
voice.
걸어와 잠들 수 없는 밤 째깍대는 시계 소리 도시의 소음만 점점 커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사이 불안함 속에 무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 단건 뭘까
His voice.
전부 흐려져가 날개를 펴 like a bird of night
Also, I think with this group too, I think they mostly sing in Korean, so I like that. I mean, it's like a weird relationship because I just think sometimes the English is overkill, and I think what it might translate to in Korean does not sound as good in English with a lot of the songs. Now, granted, we have gotten better with like the English in K-pop songs, but still, I just don't think we need as many.
빛 아래 고요한 밤 나만의 night flight 더 작은 점이 돼 But 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 불확실한 감정들의 이름 잠못 드는 저 바다의 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는
I really like this.
내려다본 도시 흔들리는 street lights 마치 내 맘 같아 이름 모를 이의 고민 속에 널 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향해 내게 주신 내게 닿길 기도하지 깨어있는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해 난 날아가 like a bird of night 숱한 고민의 불빛 아래 찬란한 밤 우리의 night flight 잠들지 못한 제발 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 같은 별을 바라보고 있을 어둠 속 날 떠올리는 이유 이 세상의 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 glow
I really thoroughly enjoyed this. I like the song. Can't wait to listen to it without the music video. Like I said for the other one, their songs are a bit heavy, especially when I don't know, you've had things like going on in your life, but it's like beautiful and cathartic, and it's a nice change of pace because I think a lot of K-pop songs, especially by popular group, a lot of them aren't as meaningful. Not to say there was like fun songs and stuff back in second gen and everything, but it's nice to see a switch up from like, yeah, I'm a baddie and all that stuff. So I enjoy this. Let me know what y'all think. Okay, now we're on to Dance With You. Wait, I wonder if he filmed this first or he filmed this like because his hair was platinum in something beautiful. No, Beautiful Strangers. So I'm wondering like, is this before or after? I'm so curious. He's good at using his eyes. I do think a lighter brown fits him better. I'm not sure a blonde, but this dark, I don't know if it's like, I love it on him.
Dance with you, hold hands with you 맞추는 심장 위로 너와 함께 추는 춤 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 날 맡긴 눈 하나가 되는 둘 I wanna dance with you
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, he's moving them hips.
Dance with you, hold hands with you 혼자서 출 수 없는 달콤한 이 긴긴 춤 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 날 맡긴 눈 하나가 되는 둘 I wanna dance with you
Hey, okay. I wish they didn't cut right there. Such a like sexy song. Him drinking water. Ooh, red. Okay. Okay, I think overall I'll probably like this EP. I think Beautiful Strangers, I don't know. I liked all the songs about the same. I think definitely Beautiful Strangers and Bird of the Night got me a little emotional. Dance with You is like more sexy, more, all the sensual, that kind of stuff. Like the whispering and the like that male voice was really like sounded really good on the ear. But I'm excited to listen to the rest of the EP. I think that there'll be some hits. Well, obviously there'll be some hits, but I mean, I think there'll be songs that I like. But yeah, I think this is good. I do like TXT. I don't know if I can say I stand the group, but I'm familiar. I like them. I know Yu Ning Kai. I know that, I know all his sisters and stuff like that, all that jazz. So sometimes like he's like trying to like portray sexy, but I just see him as like a brother, to his sisters. But overall, I enjoyed this. Let me know which song is your favorite off the album, and also let me know your bias or your favorite members in TXT. If you, I think I might have because I do that kind of thing where I just run through discographies. But if you think there is a TXT song I should listen to that I might like based on what you know about me and know that Deja Vu goes like platinum in my house, then feel free to comment below and I'll take a listen. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. And until next time, bye.